paying tribute, but at a distance.
And in the morning, we will remember them.
The Perth and Peel regions woke to day 2 of lockdown. With Anzac Day events cancelled, driveways became the place to pay respect.
2 years that we've had COVID sort of jump in and put a quash on Anzac Day, but obviously it can't stop this community and can't stop Western Australia.
2 community cases have been linked to a returned overseas traveller infected while completing quarantine at Perth's Mercure Hotel. The man spent 5 days in the community before heading home to Victoria. There's been no new cases detected in the last 24 hours, but the WA Premier says it's too early to say whether the lockdown will be extended beyond Monday's public holiday.
If there's further cases, obviously what we do will be more than perhaps there is now. It all depends upon the circumstances. I can't predict what's going to happen, but I do think there will be an extension of some form of controls.
Officials are still scrambling to contact nearly 360 people considered close or casual contacts of those infected. More than 12,000 COVID tests were taken on Saturday, and people in Perth's north rushed to clinics.
How long have you been waiting this morning?
I got here at 7 o'clock, so 3.5 hours.
As more high-risk sites, including a Thai restaurant and a childcare centre, were added to the hotspot list. Mark McGowan's request to the Commonwealth to halve the number of international arrivals the state accepts for 1 month as it manages the outbreak has been approved. But the Premier says if the federal government doesn't help find alternative quarantine facilities for the long term, he's reluctant to return to the full cap.
The states have been shouldering all the load in hotels that were never built for this purpose now for 14 months. The simple reason the Commonwealth doesn't want to do it is because it's risk.
Speaking from self-isolation after a recent visit to Perth, the request to use Commonwealth-run facilities was again firmly rejected by the Federal Defence Minister.
I'd love to tell you that air bases or the Christmas Island facility is fit for purpose, but it's not. Mark McGowan has made a mistake with the Mercure Hotel. Nobody's been critical of him for that, so he doesn't need to be defensive.
A decision on whether the lockdown will be extended is expected on Monday. Eliza Lashon, ABC News.